Scream if you like cloth diapers. Hi, I'm Nish.
Hi, I'm Greg.
And this is Malachi. He's 5 months.
And this week we'll be trying cloth diapers. Thank you, Lulu for hooking us up with this complimentary service.
Hi, my name is Sandy and I'm the founder of Luluju. We have designed our delivery service to essentially deliver everything you need so that you can cloth diaper your baby sustainably.
What I'm nervous about cloth diapers is pretty much the poop part. How do I store the poop?
When we deliver cloth diapers to your door, you get the benefit of using them on your baby, and when they're dirty, once a week, we come to your home, pick up those dirty diapers, bring them back here to our warehouse where we're gonna wash and sanitize them, and then we deliver them to you again, clean and ready to use.
So we just got home and look at what has arrived for us. Organic diaper service from Luluju. And we are going to see if we like them better than using disposables and see how it works for us. Are you excited to use cloth diapers? Say yay, cloth diapers!
It's 7 o'clock in the morning and looks like somebody's up. Malachi's gonna get his diaper changed this morning. So this is our first time using a cloth wipe. So far so good. It has to be damp just a little bit. It's different from what we typically use. Something that, you wipe them and you throw it away. But now I guess we keep it now. We put on our first diaper, yay!
Okay, Malachi, what are we gonna do? We're gonna change your diaper. It is mommy's turn, and this is her first time, so she's gonna see how she likes to do the cloth diapers. Are you ready? Let's do this. And, okay, buttons. There's 3 of them, so can mommy do the middle one? Yeah, and then that one. That was so easy and nice. I didn't want to do it too tight, but I did want to do it tight enough, so it does have some like slack there, which is good. You're just little happy feet, ain't ya? Really cool, because when you're done changing his diaper, I have his diaper and his wet cloth here. Basically, I just put it inside of the diaper pail that they had given us. They come and pick it up later, and then they wash it. To be honest, I don't even think that mommy's doing it right. As long as it's on there, it works, right? You give mommy a thumbs up?
So this is cloth, different from the baby wipes itself, but it's dry, but it feels good. So let's go warm it up with warm water. With poops itself, it's a little weird, only because when you wipe poop, you throw away it, but this time I wipe, I clean it, and then, yeah. So I have to keep not using the same one, but use a different one, really. But granted, Luluju did give us a lot of wipes, which is really good. Malachi had a big poop today, and the cloth diaper was able to catch it off without it leaking, which is a good thing.
All right.
Man, I feel like these diapers definitely promotes, him to actually go and feel more comfortable. Because usually when he poops, he just starts crying uncontrollably. And he was just perfectly fine. Today, we'll be wearing the zebra cloth diaper. This is waterproof itself, and this is also cloth. And also comes with a pad that's also detachable and attachable. And just like that.
Hi! So you button it there.
All right.
Okay.
And this side.
All right, yep. I'd say it looks pretty good. Cloth diaper, baby!
Cloth diaper, baby! All right, guys, today will be the first day we're traveling with the Luluju's cloth diapers. All right, as you can see, these are the diapers that we'll be traveling with.
How are you? You good? So you're gonna get a wipe down and you're gonna get your diaper changed. Are you ready? He was out all day today, and I'd say that it worked out pretty good. He pretty much lasted the whole day. He's very ecstatic.
Yeah.
Also very tired. So we're gonna go ahead and give him a little feed and then put him down. It was really cool because it's like the cloth diaper within itself, and then it has a pad. So I was like, okay, like how is that all gonna fit? And then we have cloth wipes, and then I was like, okay, do I wet them? Do I keep them dry? So I was a bit confused, And then when it came to clipping it on there were so many buttons, so I just picked one.
It takes a little more time, but it's pretty much waterproof itself. I would say definitely worth it. I would say he definitely had more bowel movements, more poops in the cloth diapers. And he wouldn't, you know, cry about it. In his disposable diapers, he would typically cry to let us know it's wet. But it seems like he was very comfortable in the cloth diapers, to be completely honest. It was definitely easy with the Lulu service, because all we had to do was pretty much put the soiled diapers within the pail itself. Disposable diapers are definitely cheaper, to be completely honest, but you're paying for the service.
Another thing too I'd like to point out with having a delivery service for cloth diapers is that you're reducing your carbon footprint.
When a disposable diaper is made back in a factory, usually overseas, there's a lot of water, gas, and oil that is used to make that single-use product. It then has to get carted here to the US, and then we put it on our baby only one time to only end up in landfills. So our diapers can be used upwards of 200 times. They're washed and reused. And the cool thing is that water that we actually use to wash the diapers is reserved, diverted to the city of LA so we could irrigate freeway underpasses and trees for the city. So in essence, we're even reusing not only the diaper, but also the water.
Cloth.
Yeah, definitely cloth, definitely.
Hands down.
No question about it. The service itself, it's immaculate. It's like white glove, to be completely honest.